Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and did you know there's a thing? There's a thing called reusable water balloons. This company, Yexiup, has created these, and they are a game changer when it comes to all of your water balloon fun because you never run out of water balloons. Now, full disclosure, even though these were provided to me in no way whatsoever will it impact my review because I am just here to keep it real. Check this out. So in this packet, you get a bag to store these because they're reusable. You're going to keep them. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 water balloons, and they look like this. So it's a rubber type material, similar to, let's just say, a regular water balloon, but it's a little thicker, so it's a little bit more durable. So when these things are being thrown, they're not going to break as far as this material is concerned. Then it has these rings, these sealable rings, and they're connected like this. And if you listen, you can hear that they are magnetized. They pop apart, and there you go. So easy to fill up. All you do is you submerge them in water, you let them close up. I'm laughing because this is just amazing. And there you have a watertight water balloon, perfectly round, perfect for getting a good throw. And these things are crazy legit. I mean, and you have 6 to choose from. Very, very cool. And then as you can see here, once it breaks, it opens up, the water comes out, the magnetic seal is broken. And then you pick it up, you're like, oh, let me do it again. You go over, pick it up, and back to this. Imagine being outside having a water balloon activity, and both sides, both teams, if you will, have a water bucket, and they have their own water balloons. And so what they do, they give it a good throw, they run over, grab the one that was thrown at them, they go and they submerge it, and back and forth they go. Very, very cool. And because these are rated for quite the young ones, I would say 3 years old or old enough to be able to take one of these, stick it in a bucket, and close it. You don't even need to do anything, as you saw from this. You literally, all you have to do, it's so simple, it's easy. You don't have to like press it together. You literally go like this, it magnetizes together, and it's perfectly round every single time. So if you're looking for water balloons and you prefer to have something that you can use over and over and over again and not have the waste and other little pieces that are all over your property and having to keep buying new ones, hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.